Wait.
What's wrong?
Ay, nakuha ko na to.
You won't get away from me!
Soviet Union?
That's right.
A few days ago, one of our country's main design bureaus, OKB 754, was destroyed in a nuclear explosion.
That should stir things up a bit. You'd better hurry.
Dead bristleback down there?
Yun yung commodity na tinatawag, no? Ang video game kasi parang ganun tinitreat, no? Dun sa collecting game o sa video game collecting scene siya, no? Kasi parang proof of work pa rin yung ginagawa sa sa Bitcoin, 'di ba? Which is lahat ng altcoin proof of stake na.
Those words with me on the hunt, no matter where it takes me. And now, I'll carry them with me.
Sa akin yung cradles, kung ba nakita yung kanina? It was crafted long before the other Kagura mask, and it was different from any other. Nakuha ko na ba ito? Nakuha ko na yata ako.
That range, huh? You're all talk, huh?
Oh, ito yung mga nominees. Ito yung mga nanalo. And if you think kung yung Dragon Age is hindi siya deserve na maging Game of the Year because of the meaning to say, ito yung mga component ng games na kung saan before the final release, no? Kasi kung halimbawa ganito,
Laki, parang nauna siyang years bago kilaro ka.
Boss,
That arm still hurt?
para umuugong o nagwi-whistle daw yung mic mo. Hello? Nag-ano ba? Baka pili ko dahil kay Claudie.
Impossible. You ejected the first bullet by hand, didn't you? I see what you were trying to do, but testing a technique you've only heard about in the middle of battle wasn't.
Alam, sabi yung notes ko.
More. You look disappointed. All right then. I'll do something special for you.
Wala na yung ano mo kanina? Si Claudine, damit niya. Parang ano to?
Do you want to save?
Multo kayo, dapat nananakot lang kayo, hindi kayo mamahali.
What's that sound? To cover! Archers on the ridge!
So the vanguards came through here?
Yeah, just a bit ago. Down that bristleback, headed south. But then those scroungers showed up to carve the carcass, as they do.
Alert for an all-out nuclear war. Frantic negotiations were conducted through the UN's Emergency Security
Galing ng cinematics, kala mo totoo talaga eh.
to end the hair-trigger standoff.
Kaya din na nakuha itong mga clip na to.
Is this. Take the word purchase, no? Kasi ngayon, ito nga, may mga law na pinasa ngayon, especially sa California na
Just the hammer! Just the fight! Aloy?
Erend!
Suzuki daw ulit. Ano meron? Baka may... Ang creepy ng game na sir, nakakapangigig balahin. Kaya nga yun. Enjoy naman. Since Halloween yan, Underneath the Haibara Inferma. Underneath your clothes.
That's not necessary, is it? What if I just return to the claim?
Oh, well, that would save the crown the cost.
Of course. I'll be on my...
Timer nating magtagal lang konti. Kasi wala nga tayong waiting screen. Di ba? Paano ka ba gagawin to? Siguro maybe we can share this. Ay, grabe siya, no? Kamusta ang perk? Maano ba sa perk? Ano ba ngayon? Summer pa lang ngayon dyan, no? Kaya, I mean, tatanungin ko sana kung may snow.
Crew operatives! What is that stance? Huh.
Easy. What happened?
Explosion in the mine. Water flooded the whole place. Some of
Yun nga yung kinakagalit nila yung sa River kasi nakaka-burnout nga kasi sa minigame. Saka hindi siya basta...
Sabi naman, ang laki nun sa inyo, sir. Parang sa amin 2.5 lang Wellness namin 2.5 lang. Pero pwede na yun. At least, di ba? Actually, bibili daw ulit ako ng Switch na second hand. Nakaipon na ba, sir? Using the Wikipedia definition of game preservation. Ano ba ang game preservation? So, no? Anyway, so I think, no, from some of you already played Metaphor, pero ako kasi wala pa. No, hindi ko pa nasimulan. Yung demo pa lang yung na-like, or hindi agad dumarating sa inyo. So now, what I'm trying to do is to share the stream. Diba?
Spread your wings and fly. God be with you.
Ito yung checking, no? Kung ikaw ba talaga yung nagmamay-ari nito or meron ka ba talagang ganitong game based sa record namin. Diba? Yun yung DRM. So kapag hindi na ng DLC, So depende talaga 'yan sa region, no? Kaya marami tayong account, 'di ba? Indonesia and Turkey daw barya games. Grabe sa sir. Alam mo to?
About Sokolov?
Yes. He was taken back to the research facility and forced to continue working on the weapon in question under KGB supervision.
No, especially kung hindi naman about the graphical finesse, yung ano nila, yung take nila. So dun nagkakaroon ng disagreement, na?
Guys, smoke lang ako.
Hey, Snake, have you ever seen Forbidden Planet?
Can't.
I heard you used to be a codebreaker for the NSA.
I was. 4 years ago, I defected to the Soviet Union with Adam.
Now.
Hold! She's telling the truth about one thing. She's not Karja.
Yung blockchain, no? Yung record na, yung ledger na sinasabi ko, no? Within the blockchain. Ito kasi yung sinishare sa lahat. Kaya nga siya decentralized eh. Ibig sabihin, yung storage ng source ng pinagkukunan mo eh. Diba? Gusto ko yung bisyo, action figure, Gundam, Funko. Yan ang mga bisyo ng mga...
I've been told that Adam has infiltrated Volgin's ranks. I've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
Action? Hindi ko sure. Meron na kasi ako niyan yung ano eh. Yung MVC3 saka
A kiss of death. Are you KGB? We may be able to use her.
save na tayo. Papatayin ko yan si ano. Para tayo.
Boring mid-afternoon patrols.
Your mission is to infiltrate Selino Yask in the Soviet mountains, ensure the safety of Sokolov, and bring him back to the west.
As the sun rises over a land at war, so too
ito yung elevator nandito.
Let's fight.
See their shit. Diba? Walang ganun. Walang legacy bulok. Grabe yun sir. Sa drag age. Clody, basa. Kailangan pa to yun. So si Clody medyo papansin ito eh. No? Pasaway na din. Lahat na talaga. No? With the platform is, syempre, via account. Diba? And then tong account na to, kinirate natin dun sa platform. So meron silang hold ng record kung sino tayo. Kung ano yung identity natin. Ng DLC, so depende talaga yan sa region. No? Kaya marami tayong account. Diba? Indonesia and Turkey daw Barya Games. Grabe siya sir. Alam mo to? Dahil kailangan mong gawin. Parang ganun. No? Parang nandun tayo sa yung issue din about DEI. No? Na parang pinupush nila yung agenda dun sa...
So the rebels were keeping bristlebacks here. The machines fell into the tunnel, which must have collapsed as they ran further in. What if all the...
Wala na yun nandito.
You ejected the first bullet by hand, didn't you? I see what you were trying to do, but testing a technique you've only heard about in the middle of battle wasn't...
Policy is more like a physical, no? Especially during the ancient times, no? Very physical. Pero ngayon kasi meron tayong mga credit cards, 'di ba? So
gets his hands on it, it will mean the end of the Cold War.
The end of the Cold War?
Yes. And then the Age of Fear will truly begin.
kapag tambay ka, no, or unemployed ka, no, may mga vices or may possible may mga vices ka, no? Sa ibang bansa, motivation, 'di ba, for you to move forward. So wala, no, mahirap siya. Kumbaga talagang pili lang, no? Hindi lahat ng tao is
Not so great.
Your spear can deal with that armor. Use attacks to energize your spear. Then hit your opponent with a heavy or power attack to blast their armor.
Whatever you do, don't let them see you.
Sure.
Community, no? Lagi silang at war kung sino ba yung may karapatan, may karapatan talaga, no? Sa mga games na to, especially yung mga old ones na, no? Yung mga tipong